Good morning everyone. Today is the International Day of Girl Child. Since 2012, October 11 is observed as the International Day of Girl Child. The main aim of this event is to highlight the problems that girls face while promoting their girls' empowerment. In ancient times, women were highly respected, but with the passage of time, the thinking of the people towards the girls is changed. Conservative practices like female foeticide, sati system, dowry system, child marriage became prevalent. Due to this, girls were being denied from their rights like education, nutrition, legal rights, and medicine. The International Day of Girl Child gives people and organizations the opportunity to raise public awareness against the different type of discriminations. So let us unite together to raise the awareness, to raise the voice against the problems being suffered by the girl in the society, and try to create a safe and better environment for every sister, wife, mother, and daughter. Thank you.